we're going to make an axe with this styrofoam and some metal. Okay, so what you need is some styrofoam. Is one metal foundry, a crucible. You need one propane tank. You need a bunch of sand.
Tommy versus the tube.
This is going to be 10% aluminum and 90% copper. And it makes this sort of this strong alloy. Look at that. Can't break it.
Whoa.
This is the styrofoam axe head that I made, right? We're going to bury it in this sand.
Whoa!
Did that burn you?
No?
Didn't burn me either, and it landed in my face.
It's like, it was like a poop splash, but
Like, I was thinking, I'm gonna be hideous for the rest of my life.
exactly. The oven mitts.
Oh my god. Would you look at that? See, what happened was, so for the new mold, copied that axe onto here.
Who are you talking to? Oh.
everybody. So that first mold was a failure, right? And so we did the second mold. There's a copper tube sticking out of it like this, while this part was buried in the sand, right? I don't know why we did that. I guess it was just in hopes that it would hold structure, right? The copper tube was really stuck. It took me forever to get it out. But yeah, and then I took the angle grinder to it, grinded it down, right? And next part we'll be making a handle to fit in there. We chopped some wood with it when it had the copper tube in it. Little bent. But, you know, it works. Now I didn't take footage of like, you know, some of the important parts to make this. But if you were looking for a tutorial, that's your fault. You should have realized that this was a terrible tutorial from the very beginning. Because I, you know, have no idea what I'm doing. So yeah, basically, this is it.